I will end the Muslim ban on day one. Day one.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी के सदारती उम्मीदवार जो बाइडेन ने कहा है कि अगर वो सदर बने तो रोज़मर्रा के मामलात पर अमरीकी मुसलमानों की तजावीज़ और खदशात को पेश नज़र रखेंगे और मुसलमान आवाज़ों को अपनी इंतज़ामिया में शामिल करेंगे। इन्होंने इन ख्यालात का इज़हार अमरीकी मुसलमानों की तंजीम एमिगेज एक्शन की ऑनलाइन तकरीब मिलियन मुस्लिम वोट से खिताब करते हुए कहा।
I will end the Muslim ban on day one. Day one. Hadith from the Prophet Muhammad instructs, whomever among you sees a wrong, let him change it with his hand. If he is not able, then with his tongue. If he is not able, then with his heart.
Make no mistake, people. 2020 is our year. Let's dive into it with 2020 vision. We can see clearly that America is fighting for its very soul.
We all come from the same root here in terms of our fundamental basic beliefs. And I just want to thank you for giving me the opportunity, for being engaged, for committing to action this November. It matters. Your voice is your vote. Your vote is your voice. Muslim Americans' voices matter. I'll be a president who seeks out and listens to and incorporates the ideas and concerns of Muslim Americans on everyday issues that matter most to our communities. That will include having Muslim American voices as part of my administration.
But getting out the vote, getting our families out to vote, getting our elderly out to vote, getting our masjids out to vote, getting our neighborhoods out to vote. So let's do our part
and join the largest Muslim voter mobilization in America,
the Million Muslim Votes campaign. Let's roll up our sleeves. Let's make our voices heard. Because we got the means, we got the numbers, and we got the power.
From the streets to